Praise the daddy, mama. Alright?
What's up? What's up? What's up? Who trouble you? Who trouble you? Tell me who trouble you.
Anyway,
Who trouble you?
I come to leave her with you.
What you mean by leave her with you?
I can't stay with her no more for now. Because I have some important things to sort out. And then I cannot afford it. You can afford it. But you don't want us to be together because you're a cheater. So guess what? You go take care of your pitney.
Hey, look, lady, what you talking about?
What do you mean? What me I talk about?
But
A
you,
Spanish me just speak. You don't understand.
but it's a baby. You cannot leave the baby like that.
Listen. I no give me the give you me pitney fi take all in a for your pitney to the two we get her. But for now, you go have to make she stay with you.
Look here now. You know that is not possible. You know I have my work.
The last money we me have, cause you not give me no money to support the child, you know. Me take you and buy one pack of Lasco, 3 Pampers, and 2 little blows. 2 tights in there. You see the rest of time them when she need or something, you go have to support her and give her. Me sorry, but me have to, sorry, take
That
the
don't
back.
make any sense.
No,
What are you doing?
take it because you're not supporting
You're
me now,
listening
sir.
to yourself. What is wrong with you? Eh? What is wrong with you? Look here now, lady. That is not even possible. It's a young baby. The baby needs her mother. How you can leave your child at this stage?
You just realize that me her mother and you are her father. And you are father, me her mother, you know. And then the two of we come together and get her. And you leave her for me. Me can't afford for mine or me no, and no money. And people dirty clothes me have to wash every time in my life. Just to make she hungry. And you live a for your big nice house. Well comfortable and alright. And then me not go make she dead for me for hungry. You can't more than afford it. That's why people have to carry unuga coat. You can't more than afford it. Why you don't want to give me no money for the child? Why?
You're not. Look here now.
The one
I'm
last
not
time where you did give me the
supporting.
money, remember which day, which time, which year, and which month. You don't give me back no more again. Take her. I feel your picnic and me alone for mine. Me not go stay with her no more. Me sorry.
This is how you plan to live.
And that's how me plan to live. Me love my daughter. Me sorry
Really?
say me have to give my child to you for you stay with. But look here now. You go have to stand up to your child and support her.
Hmm?
You
See
can't
what
leave
your
her
mother
for me
doing?
alone. One to you,
Which
are you two
part?
always supposed to support the child? You left him for me. Sake a woman. No, take your picnic. Take your picnic and me don't talk.
Remember
Every
say
time you say
you.
brandy. What make you call out my name?
Remember says you. Tell me say yo. Me fi take the picnic. You know. Remember say you want left the relationship. You know. Eh? You know remember say you want leave the relationship. And you leave me. You know. And every time I send money come down there to you, you send out what the money. You know. What is it you want me to do?
Your mouth just pack a pure lie. Pure lie.
What you mean?
Me
Then
love
you
my
leave me.
daughter. But for now, me have to go left her with you.
This is
Mind
how
your
you plan
pitney
for
and
this.
me one get her. Mine her.
This is what you plan for do.
I know what me plan for do, just come in my brain, so me just do it.
Alright then, Brandy. Alright. But just remember,
Then, Denisha, remember say mommy love you. You hear, baby? Look at me. Look at me, mama. Mommy love you. Yeah, mommy love you. Mommy will always love you. But for now, me have to leave you, give your daddy, and I'm so sorry. Me gone. Bye, mommy. Bye, me, mommy, baby.
Brandy, you come look for your pitney any at all.
Don't call out my name coming at if you didn't like you. Me sorry, see you breed me drunk, bro.
This is so nice.
Yeah.
Daughter and father.
This has always been us, you know. Like, you know,
For real.
remember say your mother left you at a very, 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 very tender age.
For
And
real.
so
I'm gonna say is really appreciate everything you did it for me from me small until now. You take good care of me. If me want something, you make me get it and stuff.
I did my best.
I know.
I think I did my best, you know, and in spite of everything, you turned out really well. I'm proud of you. I'm proud to
You.
call you my daughter. And I wouldn't trade you for the world. Yeah, man. We really need to continue and always do this. Take a day when we just chill and just reason with each other.
I have fun seeing way.
Can't drink the heavy liquor them anymore.
In
Yes.
that church.
Oh my goodness.
Well, like the ice cream are very nice.
That one there is nice.
Really?
What flavor is that?
Cookie and cream.
Cookie and cream.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, but you always have been liking cookie and cream. No, there's one reason.
Well, I know say I'm gonna take out my braces them and put them in back door.
Yeah.
I'm gonna change them.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know what you had up.
I take out it for around 2 weeks or so and put it in the back.
Okay. That's cool. That is nice. So anything else new in your life? Anybody new in your life? If I may ask that question.
Well, I was going to tell you, I'm I'm dating someone.
You're dating someone?
Yes. Me never really ready to tell her yet because I just don't want to know if I'm the right person.
Okay. Understandable. How does he make you feel?
Good?
It makes you feel good?
Yes.
You're happy?
Happy.
You are? Nice. So that's
Okay.
what matters most, yeah? As long as you are happy and you not compromise too much of yourself and your happiness for him, then everything will be all right. Trust in you. I trust you and I trust your judgment to believe that I raised you well and also you make the good decisions them at the end of the day. And if any at all, you need me to step in for any whatever reason, I have your back. Okay? Look at them kids over there so playing. That reminded me of when you was younger, That's so cute.
Well, me not gonna remember because I'm very
Well,
small.
Yeah, well, but I can tell you always used to just run up and down. And then you always a play in the grass, and then the grass would have stretching and I run come, Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. What is scratching me? And I was like, yo, that is so funny. Oh, John was there. Those days you grew up so fast. Like, I swear. It's just unfortunate that, it was just me and you. Your mother never got a chance to, well, she never wanted the opportunity to actually see all of this. But that's all right. Be good.
For the one time you see her, I don't see her back.
Yeah.
12.
Look, I'm gonna think about it any at all. Yeah? Let us just enjoy the day.
Venetia. Ven.
Who that?
Come here, my daughter.
Why? How much breeze blow you here?
You can come out here so let me talk to you.
No, I'm not come out there so you can come in here so.
Alright.
What the problem now?
Venetia. You know say me come to you seriously about something very, very important. But please,
Important.
may I ask you, nobody shame me with the disgrace and the lowness. Because me did give you way back to your father and you don't grow with me. Please, may I beg you, forgive me. Right now, then, me not have nowhere to stay. And may I ask you if me can go and stay with you.
With me?
Yes, because me
Hey.
not have a space.
Say me if you tell me say you have a heart to come to me after so many years from me a baby. You give me to my father, right? My father have to work with me on his side to make sure I get food for eat and send me to school. My father even call you and say you can't come stay with a daughter for every day. or 1 hour, make she see you. You're always busy. You don't have you don't find time for me, right?
Ven,
I went time me at 12.
Ven, just,
Me know
just
you.
let me talk to you a little
When
bit.
me at 12, me know you. When time I go to school, I'm say pitney with for them mother, me feel away. Even one time, I can remember that the time me dey on the road in a one bus, sit down. Cause taxi, me there away pan, right? And me finally get the taxi, me there in a bus, sit down and me and look. Power woman. So the woman must say, I'm mad, this little girl, I'm mad out. Because what, me not have a mother. Me not have no mother from me I grew up. My father and my mother in a one. Him take care of me. I have a heart to come to me now and come and tell me say you want me to put you up. No, want to your boyfriend. You know say I have man, mommy. You have man and man if you step up in a life and do better.
No, listen. That the man the way I talk about, me and him left long time. And a matter of fact, your father know the reason why me did have to leave you with him.
Why?
You understand?
Him know the reason, but me no know the
He
reason.
need to explain and tell us that me never have it and him when they cheat on me and we couldn't get along.
But even if you don't have it, daddy tell us if you can even come look for me for a day, even if you don't have no money if you can't
That's
give
when
me.
he tell you, you don't know where me and him sit down and talk about and you don't know when he call me for
But you could at least find time and come look for me. Man where they deal with all over the place. They never have money, could even get one 5 grand from them. Alright, me come look for me that and Kirst come feed and come give her something.
Venetia, Ven, just listen to me, please. You think a little time me come look for you? You think a little time your father tell me if he come look for you and when me come me hide you? Left your people yard and make me waste me fear. All the way from where you
Me not believe daddy would do that.
Me know you're not gonna believe me. Me know because I wasn't around.
I know you show up at my place now, so me if you put up here.
Yes, but me I still your mother. You don't have to treat me that way.
You're my mother and I am your child. You never have to treat me that the way you treat me.
Me not treat you no way, no.
You treat me.
And your father put me out.
Even when time me at 12, me just know you, right? You still not would have find time for me.
Oh, me have to find time for
Graduation.
you.
No, graduation you not did it. You not did it none at all. My father.
Then you would have feel if you know say me don't have it. I'm wear any and anything come at your graduation and all of your friends them and your classmates they look on me dress one certain type of way.
No.
Why see them mother look good? How you da feel?
You rather, look here, me rather you wear where you have come at the graduation more than me did it. Everybody hug up them mother and them say, congrats on my darling, my daughter. And me not have nobody to hug up more than my father.
Then listen, me know about your graduation. Me know say me not turn up and come straight in for you and your friend and your teachers and principals to me. But I was standing at a little corner watching you when you was graduating. Me can't come out there because
so when time did finish.
Me shame. Me
I really
shame.
think this make no sense.
Then me shame. I was there, but me there one place stand up in a one little corner and watch you graduate. A bit tears that come from my eye.
Be tears.
Me will want to hug you. Me will want to talk to you and
me have
you.
sleepless nights.
As a mother at the
graduation,
graduation, but me couldn't face you.
Couldn't face me.
Couldn't face you. Me sorry for everything that happened, but it wasn't my fault alone. If your papa put me out, I me not have nowhere to go. Out of say him, stay with him. We have somewhere. Him have a roof over my head. Me not have nowhere. Where you want me
so
to
where you sleep then?
carry all up and down on a bus stop and all what my friend them yard. Me couldn't manage that the one day, so me just leave you, give him. He not tell you how much time he run me out and then take me in back run me out and me couldn't take it no more. Me make up my mind so me not dey back with him. Me couldn't have you as a girl child back on me up and down. Pon the road then. You're a girl child if you want boy pick me so bad, but he look bad at me name one police take you away from me so me rather you stay with your father. Because you're gone to some woman grow up and not see me. You look you see me when you're 12 then please me ask you to forgive me, please. Please, we don't have nowhere to stay.
Look here. To be honest, me know say I'm a mother, me go forgive you, but me never go forget this. Remember.
No, say you're not going to forget.
Me go forgive you, but
Yes.
me not go forget this.
I know you're not going to forget, but I hope one day when you get older in a real life, you understand the situation, why me end up leave you. For
well,
real.
me not go reach you. Me not
with
go
your
reach
father.
you
At
in
least,
my life, you know.
then me not live you with no stranger. At least I don't know stranger. Me live with your father.
Me not go
And
feel
you
them
go on
feeling.
children home. Me not live in no care and protection. You know, when no police and on this and on that, I feel they do that to you. Me live with your father. So if the mother is not there, the father is supposed to stand up. Even though me know say me wrong and me should have done. But what mother do? Stand there take lick from your papa?
At least that I should have do for your
No,
picnic.
oh God Almighty, when me did that, they think give me something to eat. Nothing at all the
So
man
me
want
can
me
never
to do.
look up then.
No, me always go look work, but you because me non-educated, me no have no educational background to show them no certificate. Say me certified, can me have experience to do this and that. Me not get no job. Me go look work already and then give me
How
form to
about
fill out.
China? You couldn't work at Chinese supermarket or
The
something?
time the China not there, Jamaica. Me ask you to please forgive me. Me go look work already and then give me form to fill out. Me not even my name me couldn't write for it. Me I beg you please forgive me, please then. And me did want you to come out to
See
something good
me
in
tell me
life.
say, when the parents of my son go to school, you waste time.
No, when nobody good so because me no know them. Me no know your grandmother. Me no know her, my mother no all. Me no know nobody for me. You was my only child and my only family. But I just through circumstances make me have to leave you give your father. Please me I beg you forgive me, please. I me not have nowhere to stay. Please, me not have nowhere to stay. You ready me go out as your mother on the road go continue sleep? When you take a little
Look here,
man.
alright, calm down.
I know
Calm down. I'm gonna make it, look here, I'm gonna make her stay here. Right? Look more we talk about this.
Alright.
Go on in.
Alright, thanks. God bless you. Thank you, my daughter. So you now come inside.
Me I come inside, but me go up on the road and time me done.
Oh.
Daddy! Daddy!
Hello, hello. Who that? Ben?
Come here.
What you doing here at this place? What is this?
Come here, come here.
What I'm to you?
You
You
good?
there, though?
You know, some get a surprise this morning though.
Surprise.
Actually, I don't even know.
What happened?
It's a who pop up at my doorway this morning.
Look here now. You better have to tell me now, because I really can't go get this.
Hey!
Who?
No, mommy. My mother. And not telling me some if you put her. Me say, one time the lady reach her, you see like how you laugh now, I said somebody that laugh.
Hold
When,
on.
alright, she come to me, right? And I say she don't have no wifi still. And she want me to put her up. So I turn to her and say, look here, for so many years, you give me away, you see me? And then you come back now want me to put up you. I tell her, say, it can't work like that. But anyways, long story short, I put her up. But I still have to come to you and make you know that because you're my father.
Alright. So, Venetia,
I want to sleep.
during the process of your mother and I breaking up, I never once instigated or even led you to believe that she's a bad person. And whatever relationship you formulate with your mother, I hope it has nothing to do with us. The mere fact that you respect me enough to come to me and say it to me, I appreciate that. But this decision is soulfully going to be yours if you are comfortable with it. If you are comfortable with it, then by all means,
Well,
work with it.
basically, what she had go through, you know, like the way how she look and how she had talked to me and say things, me look on her and say, she really had go through a lot. And after all, I'm my mother, so even she did abandon me when time I did small, I have to look on her and say, yes, me have to still
I mean, see,
do something good for her.
I brought you up to be smart and responsible, you know. So you making this decision to assist your mother in the time of her need is a good. I believe that means I'd have done my job, and I really do like admire you for that. To be honest, and as I say, if you can find common grounds, you and your mother to work things out, because she's done your mother, regardless of all the things them that she has done, all the decisions them that she has made. She can't take it back. However, she can now mend or try and make up for it.
Really.
You see me? So you want, if you have anything on your chest, then I think now is the time to probably talk to her and find out, if she if she regrets anything.
I leave her over yard still and stuff. When time leave her, she did asleep. Come and tell her I stay, me I go up on the road and come back.
So you have any idea as to how long she plans to stay?
No.
All right, well, what I want you to do, you see, just try your best not to fight with her.
I won't.
Just try and understand her and try and find out what she really want. Because she coming to you like this, it must have been hard on her. You see me?
Yes.
So take it easy, man, and do the right thing, which you are doing so far. So, let's continue doing it, man. Watch your face.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Later, man. Take care, yeah? And tell her hi for me. Tell her I said hi.
Alright, then we'll do that.
Yeah, man. Just tell her I said hi.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Later.
Cool, then.
Me can look for you tomorrow or later, yeah?
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
You want me to cook some food?
Sure.
Alright, then cool.
Alright. So where you going to for mommy? How
No.
to do it?
Here we are going. Make me go start out, me start on forward back, yeah?
Alright then, later, come.
Baby, you know I love you, you know that?
Okay, I
You
love
know
you
that
too.
already, and I feel love can't stop, unstoppable, alright? When I see you smile, baby, yo, some people, what's it?
So mommy, why you look for me like that?
Me not like you, man. Why you have to choose to take up them the type of man there?
I like some man they come and say I like you, mommy. Me not be disrespectful, but the man was here with me before you came along. I have to understand that. When I dash me away for them the years there, and me and him right through. So you can just
Okay.
get up and say I like my man just like that. You not even know him.
Listen to me now. Me like who me want like.
Yeah.
You are choose who you want choose or you choose the wrong person. He look like a some criminal.
Look
he look
here.
like a thief. Look how he dress.
If you're
The
not
man no look good.
if you're not even can
He
find a
look
right
disgusting.
mother, if you're not even can find a right man for yourself, you'll find a right man for me.
Me no want no more man.
Okay.
Me take as much man in my life.
Alright, you live a young life. Let me live my young
Me take
life.
as much man in my life. I mean, no feel like I say me want none of them the type of man the way I take up. You see the type of man
You don't want it, but me want
even
him.
if me go choose a man, I know them the Jankro, the Jankuno, the when me see you with.
You can't
Not
come
because
on.
you don't grow with me then.
You can't call a man drunk or come load up a motor for me in my place like that, mommy.
Venetia, listen to me. And because me they catch you, they make you feel like say if you can't talk to me, them the kind of disrespectful.
No.
I am still your mother.
You're still my mother, but I never did it for
And me
you.
go forever be your mother. All
Forever?
I'm gone.
Look here.
And me and your mama.
Yeah, my mama, but I never did it for me.
Yeah, me never did
Simple.
it for you because you're dirty pooper.
Because I'm my father.
Eh-heh.
My
You
father.
pack up your stupid brain and all kind of...
My
Yeah.
stupid brain. Okay. No
Okay,
problem,
so
mother.
you take me in.
Mm-hmm.
You feel safe. You feel can disrespect me and talk to me any kind of way.
Me not disrespect you.
You know no manners.
Me not have no manners.
You know no home training.
God, if you're not
Me
this,
sorry,
come
sir,
here.
if you give your dirty pooper, because see, they not even teaching no home training, you know no respect. You're very disrespectful.
Only person me not have
So
manners
to be-
to are you.
Really?
Yes.
Let me tell you something. You see how you treat your mama, and so you go treat the other rest of people them. Because once you don't respect your mama, you're not going to respect nobody else. But not because you take me in because me not have nowhere to go. You want to come talk to me, so me go come on to your place. Because
Okay.
you're very disrespectful.
So be the case. Me did live without you for so many years. Me can't live without you again. Simple.
Me say, you not reach far.
Me not reach far.
Your tongue in your head want come out.
Me don't. Me
Your
don't.
tongue have some kind of disrespectful word we want disinfectant.
Hey!
And care some J's come here for your liquor
Go for
red.
the J's and come the lady guana.
Oh,
You don't have
Chada.
no manners there. My mother is supposed to deal with me better.
I want
Me
to
there
know
with
say-
somebody.
I want
And
to-
you can't accept that.
Okay, so you put your man in front of your mama.
No, look here.
Your man is more important than your mother.
See, like where they put your ex-man.
Me no put no
Before
ex-man
me.
in front of you. You was
Not
a
my
child.
father,
You
no.
a little baby. You can't tell me that.
No,
That's what your mind
you
tell
didn't
you.
run with man, right?
Run away with which man?
When you left daddy and gone, the
And
next
still
man
pack
gone
up your
to.
head of foolishness. That's why you feel so you can't come talk to me and then you
When
kind
you
of
left daddy, the next man gone, so you left me behind also.
Can you
You're not
prove
busy.
it?
Wait a minute, we can prove that.
Can you prove it? How old were you at that time?
Baby.
And you see, with the 2 years we got here, so me run again with man. The blood of Jesus, you're that stupid little girl.
Mommy, look here, me done with the argument with you right now. Me can go in here later.
You done with it? Me just a start.
You just a start.
You will find out. The only thing you can't
See
tell me
what
to do
you
is
cuss
come
by
out.
yourself, me not cuss with you. Can't bother with this here, man.
No, me not take this. Me not take it. Not because me can't catch your yard. Because me not know if you go your feet, if you can't disrespect me in that way. No, me have to tell you straight up. You're too bright. And that them mangoes face, boy, the way you take up. Look on you too. Venetia,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
I
madam.
want money for borrow from you right now. And it's very important. You can lend more money, please.
Alright then. Max, what you want money if you do?
You know, say I have some business man go start out really.
Alright, me now dig deep in your business. I'm go feed and come.
You know, say I have some business me did want to like buy and sell something.
Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So Venetia,
Yeah.
so make up here $1 you give me. Look, $1. You name
Yet
have
so
no
you,
other kind of money
mommy,
can give me.
yet what you said to me, you say you want a money, right? You know tell me how much money you want. You say you want a money, and me give you a money. What the problem?
But this can't do what me want if you do a $5 this. Them a thick money you can't give me to. You don't have no other kind of money where you could have give me. Me not like them thick money. Yeah.
I tip this and me again when me get a work. Tip. Me not get me pay yet.
Are your tip you give me?
So mommy,
The whole of your tip?
mommy, here, stand like.
So, God Almighty. Then, imagine you have all $20 US and me and your mother we care for 9 months. Eh?
Here
And
I
me
go
feel
again.
pain in a labor room with you with one God Almighty nurse. No doctor never in there.
Here I
Eh?
go again.
And you can't give me $1.
But if
When
me
you
not,
could have give me even more. A time for you show me little love. Me not do you nothing. Me thank you for your money still. At $25 you give me. Oh God have mercy. But anyway,
mommy, you
thanks.
know what? Here.
I spite you, they spite me or
Me
what?
not spite
How
you.
come you cannot give me the whole of them one time and done?
Hey. No sir, I'm tired.
Me
Mommy
not
go
a
on.
$50 this, you know.
Yeah.
So it's like me and no nothing to you. You dey give me them one like me and no nobody.
Me never see you no
Are are
nobody.
are you ready? Me go up on road go walk and beg. Yeah, me daughter. If me ask you for money, you're supposed to give it
You
to me.
want $5 too?
Give me the whole of them and done because what
Me
me I
not
go
have
do,
none,
this
mommy.
can't do it.
What do you mean by this can't do
This
it?
can't do
Me tell
nothing.
her say this alone me have a taxi. Look here, me take taxi go to work, right?
All right.
Me only have me tip, me not get paid
God
as
bless
yet
you. Thank you
until
very much.
weekend.
So when you get up here, you go give more money out there. Then nobody making neighbor in ear say me is your mother and you're not taking care of me. You're supposed listen to me now, Then you see every
You know, so
money
I
where you
really
get.
have to laugh though because yeah, say me alright. Yeah, my mother me
But
not
me
take
and your
good
mother
care
no
of you.
care what you do or say.
Mommy, you
It
did
no
take care of
matter.
me? You did take care of me time there, baby? Huh?
If me did I go take care of you, me would have take care of you. But me never have if you take care of you. That's why me couldn't take care of you. Listen to me now. Me is your mother. At least
You're not fearing
me
me,
never
so
dash you away. Me carry you come. Although me could have do it because you're ranking enough, you know. And me still carry you come. And now you grow up and they work. Me no have it. And me the ask if you won't give me.
So me not give you it? Mommy, I ask
see
me for
all
money
uno?
and me give it to you.
You see pitney like uno now. Me thank you for it although I know nothing, you know. Me appreciate it.
I don't know.
I know nothing
Mommy,
because you
give
have
me
more than
money
this can give me. Me know say I spite you, they spite me. I notice so you give me them
Me
one
not,
by
mommy, me just
one.
give it and because me
You
can't
give
buy
me.
the argument. Me just
Give me,
give
you're
it.
supposed to
Here.
give me, you're supposed to take care of me. Me is
Here.
your mother. And that's why sometimes we have to carry no go court. Listen.
Me take out my fear if I go to work. Me try get the money and come back for him.
Thank you very much. Then that I did for the long time. All if I 9 million thousand you're supposed to give me. You forgive me.
So wait then, me can't find one and then me I go find. You're funny, bad. Tell about parents these days. They just can't satisfy.
A long time to get the place, you know.
Yes,
And
thank you.
all the bed, boy, I tell you, bed just firm and nice.
Nice. I'm glad you come to see it.
Alright.
Alright, so later, here?
Yeah, man, call me, you hear?
Yes, man. Make sure you come back in about me. We call you and tell you when to come.
Alright.
Alright. Later. Me go call you. Alright, later.
Mommy, what is? You come on, what you? Mommy ask you a question.
What you mean, what is this? What you mean?
You carry man in my place.
Your
what's
man
wrong?
when me went see you, so what is that? So me if you are salt, me a sugar. You hear me? If you have black pepper, me a scotch bonnet. Are you alone, no man?
Me never see
Look
me
at
alone,
you.
no, man. Why you couldn't got the money here? They carry the man in my yard.
At this yard, if you come.
What you mean? In my house.
So what?
In my house. Me I pay all the bills them.
Me's not your mother, me's your mama. So I can do anything I feel like.
Hey.
So what? And me bring you come here, so girl.
That not say.
Me bring you come here, so.
That not give her the right to bring man coming at my house.
Alright. You know what you did for do? Put up one notice on the door. Say, mommy, don't bring no man come here, but you never said that wasn't a rule, so you tight. What you have to say? You want to argue with me like me and your size too because you read too much hero now and you have man. So you
Man,
feel
me not argue with you. Me not
what you
have
do?
time for that.
I like me, man. Two me man better looking at your man.
Look here, you know what, mommy?
And the handsomeness a trick you. And me tell you if you go take up on dirty head rasta, where you feel like, where they go? All in a fear place, and if you stand up and talk to me, if you have manners, girl, I owe you. I jealous. So this
Jealous
thing I come
over
off and
what?
jealousy. Oh, you mean over what?
So chase me rest
You don't see what just
I love
happened?
rest man too.
Yeah, me man before you have your man. And me just never want you know me business. You're too damn fast.
There with you here.
You're not right with me. You're lucky. Coop on you too. Coop on you too. And me care you come here so. And me care you come here for 9 months.
No, I could. Mommy, me put on the phone here. I could never. Oh my bed, you and the dirty rasta man they go.
Oh, you know this me man.
Yeah,
Not
me
me.
better this time, mommy don't done. No,
Don't this up me man
yeah,
so.
come out of my place.
Not-
Did it here?
Amen, so let it be.
Pack
So you
your
ready to
things.
run me out?
Pack your things and go. Mommy not this way you want.
You want to run me out?
I don't run more. I run me. I run you out.
You run me out?
Yeah.
You girl, you see when me catch you got with you?
Mom, go for your
9 months me
things,
carry you for parasite. 9 months I share by a zap and
Mhm.
Look your backside, look your little girl. You see you? If I did know when I catch the goat with you,
Yeah.
I don't want to say that K word there.
You know
But listen
what?
to me, I should have dash your way. After me care for 9 months, you come run me out of house because me care one man come in here. So look what
Yes.
the amount of man where you
You
have.
have a room. Where you never carry the man for your bed, for my pretty white sheet.
But look how you project such and bright. You in a big king size bed and put me on one piece of punch to sleep. But you brighty, so me fit take me good and some cute man. Come lay down for a punch for you upon your bed to put him.
Go for your things.
So you and your man to enjoy to your bed that
Like,
one good bed and me go lay down for a floor, my man.
Can you know?
I don't care. Dash them out. Me no business.
Lady.
Dash them out. Me no want no drip. I dash me. Should I dash you here for me care for 9 months?
9
You
months.
come and disrespect me about run out. I don't care. Run me out.
Come out.
I will find somewhere to go. Dash it out. You know what? You know what? You know what? Take out the rest of me clothes. Them and give me. Dash them out. Me don't.
Come out, man. Outside and break. Go on. Don't come back.
What this me? Me daughter. What this me? Please. Open me door.
Oh,
please.
you know what? Hold on, pandem, yeah. Hold on, pandem. Come on, across these things from my place. So I'm tell you this now. Don't knock back on my door.
Please, my baby. Please.
You come from big man to baby.
Remember say me your mother. Remember say remember.
Oh,
Remember say me your mother. Please. Remember say me your mother. Then when you put me up on the road, me I go. Me
I
care.
don't business. I don't care.
Then I am dirty pooper. Then me can't believe you take everything when you dirty Papa tell you and they use it for me. After me carry you so long in my belly almost 1 year. And me alone feel the pressure and have your Ven. Please me I beg you let me not put me out on the road, Ven. Ven, please forgive me. I joke me did not make. Ven! That's great. Oh. You're not let me in. You're not let me in. Oh, Jesus Christ. Me I beg you one back. Please open the door. Make sure the man drop out. Ven, 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 you send me
me
up.
can't buy the cowball. No, go on, man. Yo, come here, come. Put out of myself. Come on.
Ven, never send me your mother.
Me no business. Go on. Me can't buy the cowball from my veranda. Go on.
No one is people.
Just up in
Yeah, take up it. Oh,
the get me angry no man. Me never want to do this. My mother, me never want to do
then
this.
they want fear, want fear.
A fear? Go on, walk. Cause your man get to the wing. Yeah, your man, look, your man not touch up the road. Go on. You not gone far. Go on. Goodbye. Oh,
Ben, your mother, you do this?
yes.
Alright. Alright, Ben. Ben.
Me no want to see you back in my yard. Come back here with you, go on.
Ben. Oh, God.
Ben, my daughter.
Come here, my father.
What's up? You good?
Yes. You
Ah,
want to sit down?
no, man, I'm here, man. I'm good.
Oh.
Ah,
So I'm going. You
I
good?
pass me there, I pass you, go link when I'm a bridge and decide to me I give you a link, yeah?
Oh. Well, I have a story to tell you.
You know, my second time now, this you tell me say I have story to tell me. How could I go on now?
Mom, not there again, you know?
Hold on. She run away again?
No, she not run away. This time, I me put her out.
What?
Look here. You can't tell. Alright, I mean, if you tell me, say, mommy bring man in my house.
You're lying.
What me I tell lie for?
Ven, are you serious?
Mo not tell them a type of lie here.
Jesus. So why would she do such a thing like that?
Me not know. Look here, mama, why she never just got the money yet? She bring the money in my place.
Oh, God.
And me tell her, I say, look here, me not gonna put up with the foolishness no more. Me even there, she cuss me off. She tell me say she not like my boyfriend and one bag or something. After my boyfriend do her anything. More than they come over here, come look for me and he be there in the house they talk about something. Come back out, the man gone, mommy start screaming, ask her what happened to her. Me not like her boyfriend. What all of that for?
Just a judge the man.
Just a judge the man just like that. She want to pick match give me, right? She not even can pick match give herself, much less.
Jesus Christ. Vin.
Right now, me speechless. To be
You have me
honest.
alright about now. I don't even know what to say to you. Because I just couldn't believe she would have do something like that. Like, what was she thinking?
She do it though.
What could possibly possess you to carry?
Man in your daughter house.
Wow. Wow. And to think there was nothing she could have done to surprise me.
Look
This
here.
one really top it?
Look here, the thing is. Never mind.
Look here, man. You say you put her out.
You
Well,
put
I
her
believe
in
now.
a good heart. I have to put her out in a heavy heart, you see me? So, just say go still. Alive.
I'm very sorry. Because this must be a bittersweet situation. I mean, I don't say how it would have easy for you any at all if you don't say you put out your own mother outside.
It never easy, but me just did have to do it.
And then again, me have to look on the situation to say that
I'm not-
you have to be comfortable in your dwelling where you actually paid for. You work hard for earn and keep, so you
And
have to be comfortable.
you know what the hottest part? A hit? The hottest part of it?
What?
In my bed.
Jesus Christ.
In my bed.
Nothing.
When me pay for.
No.
No.
So what happened to the other bed? What happened to the other room?
Look here, me gonna that there. When me come, look here, me come back. Me gonna that the room there. Everything spread properly. In my room, come like say, dog and cat they ramp around in there and something. If you see the sheet dirty,
I cannot
cause a
believe
white
it.
sheet, me they have for my bed too. White sheet. If you see how the sheet dirty and stale.
Sir, how could she ever do something like that?
She do it.
I come in your house, I not even want to sit down by your bed.
I don't even want to talk about her right now because the more time I talk about her, the more angry I get. So, makes sense to come off of that topic there now. So what? You good?
I am good.
You eat for a morning?
Yeah, man. I actually had some food, so I'm good. Cook actually. So,
Okay.
yeah, man. So going forward, I mean, I guess you're just gonna have to just stay clear of this lady. Yeah.
For real.
Yeah, man.
It's
You
not
just
going to
have
take
to
it
go stay clear of
easy.
this lady. Yeah. I mean, you tried, you reached out, and you know, you tried to be supportive, give her a chance, and then she turned around and do this. Well, I mean, I don't know, but
To be honest, this don't really make no sense.
just go and hold up your head. At least you know, say your heart and your conscience clean. You know, so nobody can fight upon you doing or your decision where you make.
For real.
And that is grounds to put out anybody, because that is laws or heights of disrespect. No, so, but why? Anyways, it is what it is. It is what it is.
So what you gonna do now?
Me, I just take my time and go around. And go easy myself. Well, I still go to church.
Yeah, I think the last month they really get busy upon stuff, so I never really get to go.
Why? Deacon ask you, you know. But I don't know, I'm not so 100 sure what to tell him. But I guess you have your own big one and you make your own decisions.
No, it's not like me no want to go to church. I want to go to church, but the time. I don't have the time.
Oh, you have to make time for God, you know. Then you have to make time for God. Isn't me? So, no way I do. Figure it out and we'll talk. Alright?
Alright then.
I take my time and I'll go back around. So. Alright.
Yeah? Yeah.
Cool.
Good day, miss.
Good day.
I'm here to inform you that you've been summoned to court on the 25th of February.
25th, but how could I take out summons for me?
Well, the information is on the paper. I don't know who summoned you to court, miss, but make every effort to appear. Because if you don't, you will go to jail. All the information is on the paper. Have a good day.
What? What kind of wicked woman this year? Say me if you tell me say me mother. Now me look on the paper, right? God, this can't real. Me mother. I never do this to woman in her life. Daddy, come Come up here, please. Hurry up. No, me can't talk over phone. Just come now. Alright.
What is wrong with you, that friend? What happened to you?
I'm not going to explain this right now, yeah, man. I just can't believe this. You mean to tell me say mommy really send police come here to serve me summons?
Hold on, Ven. Hold on.
A minor.
Hold on, Ven. Hold on. What is good? Calm down and take it from the top. What is wrong? What happened today?
Mama. Here.
What is this?
I don't know how I put this pen.
What? This is a warrant, Ven.
I don't me try explain to you. Mama send police come here. Serve me summons in my own place because I'm not minor.
Oh, Jesus. Look. Calm down.
Come me off with the woman.
Oh, my God. You see, I don't know what...
Me put her up in my place for stay. Me give her money when she asks for it. And at this, me get in return. Okay.
Oh, my goodness. All right. You know what? But I stress yourself over it.
Me have to stress myself over it because I don't know what to do now.
No.
And I like some depend money like that. Me not depend money, me just...
That's what I'm trying to tell you, say, don't stress yourself about it. Remember, this is all a process. It is a phase, Ven. You do your best, just ease yourself. Anything at all that gonna happen, we're gonna do it together. You know me not let you down. Always there for you, and I will always be here for you, Ven. So if we're gonna fight this, we're gonna fight it together. I know a lawyer, and we can get it sorted out. So nobody watch this. You see me? In the name of God, I guarantee you say this bad mind and crosses will never prosper. So nobody worry about this man. She have fear day in court, you know. And we have all of the evidence to prove that she was never there for you from the get-go. So why is it that she feels she's obligated, you are obligated to giving her something now?
I don't know.
Don't worry about it, yeah, my daughter. Don't worry about it. This too shall pass. Okay? Yeah, man. But I stress yourself about the whole situation. It's a bad one. I must say, it is a bad one. And I never have, as a matter of fact, I've never seen a case like this before. A mother carry them own daughter go court for minding. I've never seen this. But there's a first for everything. And I guarantee you, the court will never see in her favor.
Alright, darling.
Alright? So nobody worry about yourself no more. But I stress yourself about it. I understand say it's something we have to think about. And I am mother. And I done your mother. So we'll just pass that. And just focus on start beating this case. I'm a guarantee you I go beat it.
Alright.
So nobody feel too bad about the situation. Yeah? Don't worry yourself about it. Brandy. Jeez, and peace. What is happening with him? I can't believe, you know, Venetia come to me the other day and tell me something, Brandy. And I cannot believe that you'd have stooped so low. Brandy, you're a big woman, you know. And this is one of the very same reasons why I stop talking, because you're selfish, you know. You don't think about nothing but yourself, Brandy. That is unfair. Imagine your daughter, you left your daughter with me from she a baby pan titty, and you left the picnic. And me struggle
Move
through
from
life
stall.
and raise her.
Move from the stall.
So what me I
Me
talk about?
no
You have
know
a
party.
stall. When you tell the girl say you never did their work. How you wicked
Move
to your
from the
daughter,
stall.
so?
Move from the
How
stall.
you wicked to your daughter,
Just
so?
left from round the stall. Me no want hear nothing from you. And that me I tell you. Me no want
You
you
know you
chat
have to
to
go
me.
here today. You have to
Don't
go here
chat to me.
because somebody need to tell you.
Look here, me no want hear nothing from
Somebody
you.
need
Make
to
you
tell you,
move from
Brandy.
your feet. Hear me
Somebody
I
need to
tell
tell you.
you? I come like I
Brandy.
say Satan sending you to contaminate me, you know. Alright.
Brandy, you one picnic where you have, Brandy, and you left the picnic from the picnic didn't even know you. And it's not like you did migrate go on a different country. I see him parish you living and couldn't have never one day get up and go look if your picnic
Why
alright.
not concern you?
What you
Why you
mean
never
by?
stand up and mind your picnic?
But
Why
that's
you let your
exactly
picnic
what I
on me?
did. Which
Eh?
part?
That's
And
why me have
me.
to give you. Look here. You see the reason why me have to give her to you? Eh? Because you're workless and you're dirty. And I quote me should I care you go. You're lucky you run me for run and left the whole land. Look here.
So this is so what if you have a problem with me, then you take it up with me, don't take it out on your daughter. Imagine you leave her and she forgive you and
You
take
see
her in.
you're
And you
humanizer. Are
still
you
a carry her go
cost
court.
Are you cost everything? You is a humanizer. And you want me to stand up and mind the pit like I know it how we get him. I want to you.
Brandy.
That's why me run you left her give you. Me sorry say me went there with you. Me sorry say me breed for you, but me not sorry say me got me picnic. Boy, look at me tell you what they hear.
But Brandy, so why you carrying her to court? Why you bring her to court for mine you?
Just go on.
Why you believe that your people obligated to taking care of you now? You are full capable young strong hearted person to take care of yourself. Why your picnic come take care of you?
Are you make Venna deal with me, Sina?
But
Are you make Venetia deal with me, Sina? Are you pack up a little girl head of one for foolishness, you know?
Me.
You
did this all on your own. Brandy, you did this all on your own. You know see how you behave. Imagine you go to the lady and ask her to put you up and she put you up. Yes. And then you go plan for carry go court for mine you.
Yes, what
kind of mother is this?
That's why me used to fight and get angry. You chat too much and chat too much foolishness.
Which foolishness? But you carrying the woman to court for what?
So what me cannot explain and tell with fitness the reason why me have to run with left her give you? Why you not tell her you pack up a little girl in that one bag of story?
I don't know what you do.
She have
me don't know
me.
what you do and why you left. You just up and left. And me never take it and hold it against you because she came to me, you know. She come to me and she asked me if it's a good idea. I say, yes, it's your mother. Forgive her. Work with her. Don't shun her. And you see it? You turn around and bite the pitney and carry the pitney go court for mine you. What kind of mother is that? You cannot do things like that, Brandy, man. Oh, God, man. What she do you? She did nothing to you to deserve that treatment away you give her. You have to do better.
Move from my style before me dash piece on you. You better move from my style, you know. Move
and
from
again,
the start before me dash piece on you. That's the reason why you couldn't agree.
And
you
again,
hear me I tell you?
This is the same reason why I left. Your behavior, your attitude.
Are you a cheater?
You have no manners.
Like
then you take it up. Then you take it out on me. Don't take it out for your daughter.
You're gigolo. And you know what mine.
So you take it out for your daughter for?
Take up next one with 20 pitney and mine. Them and fear one and suffer. So we want left him for me.
She was never suffering. She was never suffering. She was never suffering. I did it. I stood up. I stand up as a man. I'm a raised with daughter. She come out and look how she with daughter successful and a shine. And I know you are run back in. And then want come go on like I say you want come get it. What you want feel like? She's not obligated to you.
Just a sperms donor. You want go breed me and give me vein. What you did I do? Me did I feel run when left him give you. So what you did want me alone for mine vein? Eh? And me alone did for mine her. So you're not the daddy. You're not the daddy. You say your daddy will stand up as a daddy and mine your pitney as a daddy.
You know what? I waste me there, I waste my breath, you know. I see it. I see it.
You know what? Leave me start. Leave from me start. I come like a devil's tenure. Yes, so you contaminate my spirit today. Leave from me start. You hear me? I tell you. You see why me you couldn't breathe? You see why me you couldn't breathe? That's why me I feel left. You come like you come here so for me and I see.
You see, you just always in this violence can Brandy for what? Brandy, that's not necessary.
Don't call me name. You come like you come here so for me and a problem. I want to my youth.
This is exactly why I left. But this is exactly why I leave.
So that's why
this is exactly why I leave, Brandy. You don't know how to control yourself. You don't know how to control yourself.
You better
It's
go on
not
and
so
leave.
people
You
for
hear me? I
behave,
tell
Cat Brandy.
you. Go on
And your
and leave me.
daughter you treat
Go on
so.
and leave me.
You have to respect
Go
your
on.
daughter.
What make
You're
you talk
going.
about your business? You must
Respect
feel
your
what you feel
daughter.
like.
Yeah, man.
Go on about
Respect
your
your
business. Where you
daughter.
come here to for? I want
You're
you.
too bad, man.
We're spider the
Then, then,
Prosper.
hold on there. Please stop. Wanna stop a little bit. Stop. 1 minute. 1 minute. Just give me a minute,
Hey,
please.
Jesus.
What is it you want now, miss?
Just give me a minute.
You're not causing enough problems in our life.
Please, please. Just hear me out for a few. Hear me out for a few minutes, please.
Miss,
Stop.
you don't think you have caused enough problems in our lives already?
Me know. But right now, me see the wrong when me done. And I come to apologize to you and my daughter Venetia. I'm so sorry.
Look here,
Me
mommy.
not gonna make it happen again. Me sorry, me apologize right now. Please, me I beg you forgive me.
Me forgive you, but me not gonna forget this. Me say something to you. Is there anytime I feel like you're ready to be a mother? You know it's probably leave. Yeah? But for now, I just decided. You're not ready to be a mother yet. You don't even know me. You only can live with me for a couple of days and just say yes. I say what I don't know me. Honestly, I don't know me.
I am so
So.
sorry.
We're not gonna waste the time here so no longer because we have better things to deal with. Father and daughter. So
Why make you change your number for me? You can just give me it back so I can call you and ask if you're alright and so.
Don't
Because
need
I
to.
really love to play the mother role in your life right now.
Need to.
Yes.
You need to get that sorted out later. Let's go, Father.
You could have had the relationship with the daughter, except you choose this route. Brought your only daughter, your only child, to court. I don't know what is it I can do for you right now. If she wants to forgive you, that's up to her. But you know so that I gotta take time. You need to just try sort out yourself. Get yourself together, get your act together. This is our child. Not mine alone, our child. And you will forever be her mother. Just know that. But don't expect say I gotta just run in her life now and everything is going to be the same. It's not. Because right now, this is a different wound that you have opened up. Very hurtful. And I don't know how she will ever forgive you, if she even does.
What you do? I like the man who just come up because I'm better looking than you.
Yeah, yeah. So Brittany, after Candy, I say all that. You say, mommy, you know what? This not gonna work. This is not going to work.
Hold on, man. She going to say it not gonna work. She go in and go look on the bed. Then she realize say the bed.
No, man.
Then she no man. And then she go in and look at the bed, pull up and come up and flip and say, not her crap. You have to leave. In my room, in a pan bed. Right, yeah, man.
Again like one time.
Oh. Things that go.
Well, don't move. Don't move.
Look at what's your name? Steve. Come here.
Should I read say you know what Candy for say no what you say
What do you say? What do you want?
so now Candy go back to where you say now And then you can sit and say, you know, mama, me not argue with you. And you just walk well left him. And when you walk well left him, then you can turn up yourself. And I go and argue same me and then you go in and come back out.
You should have do one white shot. Go in and come back out.
See,
You. So I do a white shot.
do it with that. Don't cut him, don't cut. What? I like you like me, man. You better looking out for you, man. Ready now? Ready now, Javi? I'm ready now. Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, "Oh, me no need that, me no need that." It's not no Viagra. You know me I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use say make the capsule them and they are for enhancement. You don't know you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40 you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up, see him Instagram handle there, so you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right. If you're hearing the sound of my voice, it simply means that you have watched the video to the end. So I want to say thank you, because I know a lot of times persons don't watch the entire video to the end. As long as them see the credits come up, them stop watch. But thank you to the persons that were watch it to thus far. You know what I say? All right. So let's talk a little bit. This is the first movie of February, and we want to push it to the fullest extreme, meaning that share it up to your friend them, share it by your Facebook, by your WhatsApp, all the necessary social media platforms, share them up. We post 5 movies last month. Last month never so hot financially because it's the first of the year and advertisement, all that thing they go already. But nonetheless, we put in a lot of work. We're proud of everybody who played a part in making all of them the movie. You know what I say? Especially my son Javi. Him had the most of the shooting now, him had the most of the editing. So a lot of the work, him get in tune to it, and I feel proud for say boy I'm taking on the thing and the generation continues. All right, so let's talk a little bit about these 2 cameras I see me having in my hand. I talked about them in a previous video that I post, but this is a more in-depth talk about the videos, the cameras. All right, so these are 2 brand new cameras we'll purchase. And me alone purchase them, you know what I say, in terms of finding the money for buy it. I got a little bit of help, and as I say, I don't call names when people help, but I just want to make, as long as you watch a video, you know yourself, want to say thank you very much. We appreciate what you have been doing, you know what I say, because it takes a lot for persons just help without even
no way, you know me I say, and that speaks volume and tell me that good people still left in the world. You know me I say, thanks to the persons them before we help, you know me I say, we appreciate, you know, and thanks to the ones them where I will help in the future too, because we realize there are a lot more people out there who want to help, and if we not going to help, we thank you know. All right, so as I said, we have two brand new cameras. One of them, I was able to purchase the body along with the lens. One, I was only able to purchase the body alone. So I am still in need of more funding to try to get the lens. We want some additional batches for them. So me need probably about 4 more batches for them. We need some extra memory cards, you know, so things we have to complement them. Plus, we need 2 C stands because I buy microphones, so we need stands to put the microphone on. So we need 2 C stands for that, and we need 1 light stand. So if we might sum it all up, we need a lens, which is 700 US for the lens. The C stand around $150 for one of the C stand. So both C stand are gonna cost $3 bills. So that 1,000, and then we're gonna need 1 more microphone and maybe 1 more stand. So with all, me I look on 1,500 US. If you get everything, me not put shipping or nothing in it, but that I go probably can buy everything. So as I say, if there are persons out there that want to contribute towards what we do, reach out to me on Instagram and just tell me how you want to contribute towards what we do. Also, I always say, if persons want to invest in what we do, please feel free to reach out and lend a helping hand, because it's not only the sense of persons just giving with their money. We want people to be a part of what we do. So if persons out there and want to invest, reach out to it and make it happen. Big up on yourself, continue to show love and support while we continue to push forward in the journey of reaching the big screen. Big up on yourself and much love and respect.